The City Police Director of the City of Baguio, Colonel Willie Franco of Class 77. Okay?
Manong Henry, I emphasize on the Manong kasi he's my Manong. I also see many public servants around, like what Manong Henry said, and my stint here as City Director is a real source of pride on my part. And I want to thank also the alumni foundation because I know that somehow many of the alumni present here now have helped out in saying a word during the selection process. And it is for this reason that I wish to thank everyone for the support you gave. And I am real proud and privileged to have been chosen as the City Police Director. Well, for the first place, wala pang naging City Director na taga Baguio. I mean, born in Baguio, Immaculate in Baguio, nag-adult in Baguio. Although siguro, dyan na mga makapamukanyak, it is because I have been assigned in many other places since my graduation in PMA, from PMA in 1982. Well, that's the call of our profession. Uri na pwede kong ma-assign dito because my family has always been here since 1983, a year after I graduated. So public service really is something that brings you to many experience. But I can say that I have learned much of what I know now, not only from the academy I graduated from, but also and more so from the institution that I graduated from during high school and elementary. That commitment will always take a back seat. So that is the guarantee and that is the vow I take before the prestigious and well-known alumni of the St. Louis University Boys High School. That's the pledge I made, and that's the pledge that I will fulfill. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. But make it known that the position of the City Director does not give us the license to commit crimes, particularly the crime of incest and rape. Okay? The next high-profile alumnus I see around is the person who is known to be a man of unimpeachable integrity because he is in the Bureau of Internal Revenue. So the one you signed earlier will be submitted to his office for income tax check. Because he's the one in charge of the BIR collection unit. Referring to the other than Class 69, Mr. Louie Lloyd.
As mentioned by Henry, lahat po kayo ma-assess. Wala akong exempted. So, it is my honor to be a member of this alumni. Ibang-iba ho itong Boys High Association natin. So anyway, if I will give you a lecture on the Bureau of Internal Revenue, hindi ho tayo matatapos Baka magkagulo-gulo tayo nyo dahil lalabas ho lahat yung mga hidden wealth nyo. So, first of all, I would like to inform everybody that we have a friendly office. Wag mo naman yung isipin na pag sinabi ng BIR, takot na kayo Hindi po. Wrong mentality po yan. So, you are all welcome in the office. If you want our assistant, you just approach me in the office. I am with the ground floor of the regional office dito sa Baguio. So, reminding you also, will be on April 15. Kaya yung 16, 17, puntahan nyo na lang ako para walang penalty. Ano po? Magkakaintindihan na tayo, no? Okay? Kaya